Once there lived two friends in a small village. Their names were Nobin and Probin. They studied in a same school. Nobin and Probin used to go to school together. They also spent a lot of free time together playing football or riding bicycle. They were die-hard fans of cricket. Nobin supported KKR while Probin was a fan of CSK team. One day they were coming back from school. They had a heated argument about who was going to win the IPL trophy this year. Unable to control himself, Nobin slapped Probin on the face. This hurts Probin much. He was taken aback. He sat down on the ground and wrote on sand, "Today my best friend slaps me." Both kept walking silently until they found a large pond. It was very hot. They decided to take a bath in the pond. Both got in and started playing in the water. Suddenly, Nobin noticed that Praveen was actually drowning in the water. Nobin sensed that Probin was actually drowning. He swam and pulled Nobin out to safety. Probin recovered and wrote on the stone, "Today my best friend saves my life." This surprised Nobin. Nobin said to Probin, "When I slapped you, you wrote on sand. Now I save your life. You write on the stone. Tell me why?" Robin replied, "When someone hurts you, you should write on sand, which a gentle breeze of pardon will wipe it clean. But when someone is kind or helpful to you, you should write it on the rock or stone so that its memories remain forever and ever." Thank you for watching. Keep my channel subscribe. Thank you.